Dear students, welcome to our science class. Today we can discuss about sound needs a medium for propagation. We already discussed when an object vibrates, it makes sound. Sound is a form of energy like light energy and mechanical energy. Sound is a form of energy. Sound need a medium to travel. Sound can travel through air, water and solid things. Sound need a medium to travel. ഒരു മാധ്യമം ആവശ്യമാണ്. Sound need a medium to travel. It cannot travel in vacuum. Sound can travel through air, water and solid things. Remember, when an object vibrates, it makes sound. We already studied. Sound is a form of energy and sound need a medium to travel. Okay, sound can travel through water, air and solid things. In that first one is sound travels through air. Here I have given the picture here. Okay, when a dog barks, we can hear the sound, and in the same way, we are able to talk with each other due to the presence of sound. Okay, one more simple activity. When we struck the drum, the drum vibrates and produce sound. This vibration pass through the air and reach our ears. So we hear the sound. Okay, when we struck the drum vibrate and produce sound. This vibration pass through the air and reach our ears. So we hear the sound. What type of wave is a sound wave? Here mark. What type of wave is a sound wave? Just to remember, longitudinal wave. Okay. A sound has longitudinal wave. Then second one, sound can travels through water. This uh, activities given your textbook, page number 162, activities 13.8. All of you carefully read this activity. Okay. I will explain a simple activity. One more activity is sound can travels through water. Take a plastic bag filled with water. Place it against your ear. Ask someone to hold an alarm clock against the bag of water. Enjoy hearing the tick tick sound. It's a very simple activity. This activity you can do in the home also. Okay, and this one more activity is given your textbook also. Okay, all of you carefully read this activity, and from this activity you can clearly understand sound can travel through water. That is why aquatic animals can communicate with each other. Sound can travel through water. That is why aquatic animals can communicate with each other. Then third one, sound travels through solid. This activity also given in your textbook. Activity 13.9. Placing your ear on the table and ask your friends to strike the other end of the table. We can hear sound. Okay. So this activity also given your textbook. As placing your ear on the table and ask your friends to struck the other end of the table. We can hear sound. So from this experiment, we can clearly understand sound can travels through solid. Okay. So one more activity, a toy telephone. I have given the picture here. Make a toy telephone and talk with a friend. Can you hear sound of your friend? Yeah. From this experiment, we can clearly understand sound can travels through what? Travels through solid. Okay. Then next one is the important topic. Then we already discussed sound need a medium to travel, and sound travels through air, water and solid thing. Okay. Sound travels faster in solid. Just to compare these three medium. Okay. Compare these three medium, solid, liquid and gas or air. Okay. Sound travel faster in solid, then in water and lastly through air. Just to remember, sound travels faster in solid, then in water and lastly through air. So sound need a medium to travel, and sound travels through air, water and solid things, but sound travels faster in solid, then in water and lastly through air. Okay. Then next one. So one question. Okay. Two astronauts floating close to each other cannot communicate with each other without the help of electronic device. Do you know why? അതായത് ആസ്ട്രോനട്ട് മീൻസ് അതായത് ബഹിരാകാശത്ത് സഞ്ചരിക്കുന്ന യാത്രക്കാരെ പറയുന്ന പേരാണ് ആസ്ട്രോനട്ട്. ഓക്കെ. ടു ആസ്ട്രോനട്സ് ഫ്ലോട്ടിംഗ് ക്ലോസ് ടു ഈച്ച് അതർ cannot communicate with each other without the help of electronic device. Do you know why? What is the reason? In space, we already studied. In space, there is vacuum and sound cannot travel in vacuum. We already studied sound need a medium to travel. Sound travel through air, water and solid things. In space there is a vacuum or there is no medium, and sound cannot travel in vacuum. Okay, just to remember this point. And one more point, just to we can compare light and sound. Okay. Lightning and thunder take place in the sky at the same time and at the same distance from us. Lightning is seen earlier and thunder is heard later. Can you explain why? Okay, നമുക്കറിയാം ലൈനിങ്ങും തണ്ടറും ഒരേ സമയത്താണ് നടക്കുന്നത്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഭൂമിയിലുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഏകദേശം ഒരുപോലെ തന്നെയാണ്. Correct, no? But lightning is seen earlier and thunder is heard later. അതായത് നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം ഇടിമിന്നലാണ് കാണുന്നത്, അതിനുശേഷമാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇടിമുഴക്കം കേൾക്കുന്നത്. Can you explain why or what is the reason? Light travels at the speed of, just to remember, I think this point last year I explained in the class. Okay, light travels at the speed of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, while sound travels at a speed of 332 meter per second. Okay, light travels at the speed of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, while sound travels at a speed of 332 meter per second. So light travels much faster than sound. Okay, light travels at a speed of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, while sound travels at a speed of 332 meter per second. That is light travels much faster than sound. That is why lightning is seen earlier and thunder is heard later. Okay, just to this point also, just to remember, dear children. Have a nice day. Thank you.